Now then guys, Matt here from M&J Automotive, and I'm joined by Josh and a shit DeWalt tool over there.
Don't say that.
Anyway,
Fantastic.
we've got a 2004 Vauxhall Vivaro 1.9 diesel on the drive.
Better.
It's going to fall off and break.
It'll never break.
Yeah, we've got a 1.9 diesel Vauxhall Vivaro on the drive, and it's in for timing belt. As you can see, it's missing a few bits.
We've already started.
Yeah, we started. There's some bits down there. There's some bits around the back. There's some bits everywhere. Yeah, we've stripped it down because it makes it 100 times easier to get into there for doing the timing belt. Got a light. There we go. You can see the fabric cover there, poly V-belt, which is looking a bit worse for wear, as you can see. There's a bit of an oil leak from the underside of the power steering pump as well. So yeah, it's a little bit worse wear on that one. But yeah, so it's making it a bit easier for us to get in. And yeah, basically, we're going to be starting to pull off the poly V-belt, the side cover, the engine mount, all that jazz to get to the timing belt. So yeah, it only took us, what would you say, half hour, 20 minutes? Not even 20 minutes to take the front end off. Probably not even that, probably quarter of an hour, wasn't it?
20 minutes.
Yeah, we'll go 20 minutes. Yeah, 20 minutes to take the full front end off the vehicle down to the crash bar. So yeah, we're ready. So we will cut out now and drop in when we're starting to dismantle the rest of it. So we'll see you guys soon. So you join us, and we've stripped a bit more down, as you saw in the time lapse, and there is the timing belt. It's looking a bit worse for wear, not as bad as the one on my engine by a long shot.
Is it the same engine?
Yeah, same engine.
Same 9?
Same 9, same 1.9 engine. Yes.
I went German. Is it the same
9. 9.
Is it the same 9?
Yes. Anyway, so yeah,
Sorry,
it's had a bit of a veer off. He's had a belt at some point because they've used the trusty old Tipex. Always useful. Very useful.
Not Tipex, it's specialist timing marking fluid.
Yes, timing marking fluid. But yeah. Anyway, so it has had a belt at some point, and so it's at the point where tomorrow morning, because I'm not doing it now, I shall be taking it a little bit further apart, taking crank pulley off that's down there, timing it up, rotating it round to where I want it to be, marking this belt, marking the new belt, putting the new belt on, and away we go. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to cut out here. Well, I'm not going to cut out here. I'm going to blank off the camera a minute so we can go and see my engine. So we'll see you in the garage. Just so it doesn't show you how much of a shithole it is in here. Yeah, and there we have a nice fancy engine. This is the engine from my 1.9 Vauxhall Vivaro.
Is it the same? Is it an F9 kit?
Yeah, it is, yeah. So yeah, you can see it's been painted. Bit shoddily.
You what?
I'm joking, Josh.
I modified the paintbrush and everything.
Yeah, the cylinders have been honed. We've gone out the gasket surface as well. The sump is down there. It's even got my initial on it. Yeah. Oh. My half of the M&J. We need to stamp a J on it.
Yeah, but it could be the other way.
A what?
It could be a word for...
Go on, I dare you.
Wath you.
Yeah. So yeah, it's that's that engine. So boop.
I like how professional you're covering.
I'm exceptional, aren't I? So yeah, we're back. And so yeah, we'll you'll rejoin us tomorrow while Josh is at work, and it's just me. So we'll see you guys tomorrow. Say bye, Josh.
Bye, Josh.
Now then guys, you join me on day 2, and as you can see, the new timing bolts on. Paint marks are back lined up after I've rotated the engine twice. There's a brand new water pump down there. And see if I can get you in somewhere you can see. Not really. But yeah, there's a brand new tensioner as well, brand new tensioner, water pump, timing belt, all that jazz. So now it's a case of starting to build it all back up. So we'll cut out now, cut back in as we're in the building process. So we'll see you guys soon.